Hey everyone, it's Adrienne Finch. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys my top 3 ways to make money online. And most of these things involve doing things that you already do anyway. So be sure to watch to the end so that you guys can know how to maximize your earnings online. Creating and posting content has become pretty much a normal part of everyone's lives. Whether just for fun, for your business or brand, chances are you guys have probably posted something online before. Am I wrong? So why not earn money doing it? Yeah, you. Social media has evolved so much, and it used to be exactly what the name describes, a medium where we could socialize and connect with our friends. Nowadays, though, the definition has definitely changed. Though we can still do that, social media is an entertainment hub. We spend hours and hours scrolling and consuming content that other people outside of our friend circle have posted. And more than just that, it's become a necessary marketing tool. People use it to display their work like a portfolio. It's almost like a digital resume. Nowadays, it's one of the first places I go to look up what a restaurant looks like or to pick a hairstylist. My point is, no matter who you are or what you do or how many followers you have, you too can capitalize on this and make money online. So the first way to make money online, the first sort of revenue stream has to do with commissionable links. So earning commission off of sales just from talking about your favorite products to your friends, to your family, or online in the form of content if you do make content. And you can do this easily by using this online platform called Magic Links. I have actually been using Magic Links since pretty much the start of my YouTube career, and it has by far been my favorite way to monetize products that I talk about. Now, let me explain. Some people make their entire living off of making commission when they sell a product. Bloggers, for example, if you see your favorite bloggers always promoting products, they're usually using links that earn them commission. When they make a sale, they earn a cut of that sale. And this is also one of my several revenue streams as a content creator, but what people don't realize is that anyone can earn money from giving a product recommendation, even if they don't have a big following. So here's how Magic Links works. Basically, you sign up online on their platform. It's very straightforward. Basically, every time you have a product that you want to create a commissionable link for, you would simply put the URL to the product into Magic Links, and it'll spit out a commissionable link that you can then use. You can also download the Chrome extension, which is super handy because if you're just browsing online, you're shopping, you can actually just click on the extension and create a link right there while you're on the page of your product. Either way works, and it's super handy. You can also sort of do a reverse search. You can browse their catalog of retailers, and you can actually see what their rating is in terms of how high the commission is, how long the cookie duration is, and also how sustainable the brand is, which I think is a huge piece, at least for me right now. It's cool to be able to see which brands are a lot more sustainable than others, and then you can just get right to earning. I have loved Magic Links because, like I said, it really just allows me to capitalize on basically every time I talk about a product that isn't for a sponsored thing. So when I'm just talking about things for fun, like, hey, I love this book, this really helped, like, here's my favorite outfit, I know that there's that additional chance to earn revenue. That just feels really good. They also have this feature called Obsessed with It, and this basically makes it super easy to add a bunch of product links into kind of one link. So let's say you're wearing a cute outfit and you have a photo of it on Instagram. You could actually upload that photo here and add all of the product links below, and then it'll spit out just one single link that you can then send to someone where they can view your entire outfit and buy it from there. So I highly recommend heading over to Magic Links. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out, but why not make money on something you're probably already doing? It's awesome. The second way to make money online, the second revenue stream, is actually to create and post content on social media. Now, I know this is not new news, and not everyone, wants to be a content creator, but I do want to emphasize there has never been a better time to create content and be able to actually monetize it. Whether it's for your business, your personal brand, your work, whatever it is, the barrier of entry is a lot lower than it was when I started, for example, because this is a lot more, like I said, a common thing and utilized in almost every business and brand every single day. Now, what do I even mean by content? Content can mean just literally anything that you say, post, create, share, publish online. Now, let me explain why the ability to monetize has never been so accessible as it is right now. When I first started, YouTube was the only platform that paid just for posting and getting views. Every other social media platform was not monetizable in itself. Meaning, for example, you could get paid by a brand to promote a product on Instagram, but Instagram itself would not pay you for getting engagement and views and likes on your photo. Does that make sense? So YouTube was really the main one, but now a lot of platforms are looking to compete with YouTube in the space, and a lot more platforms are monetizable now. There are 3 major revenue streams that can really come out of just one single post, which is awesome. The first way to make money off of posting content is from monetized views or engagement. So this would be YouTube, for example. You know, when you see an ad playing before a YouTube video, that's actually YouTube placing that ad. The brand or the advertiser is paying YouTube to put their ad there, and then YouTube is giving you, the creator, a cut of that money based on how many views it got. The second thing is third-party sponsorships. So a brand or an individual may pay you a flat rate to talk about and promote a product or service within your content. And the third one, as I already talked about, is providing commissionable links through magic links. Every time you post content, whether it's a photo, a video, a blog, there's always an opportunity to capitalize on the things that are in that piece of content. You could create magic links for everything you wore, everything in the background of your video, everything you talked about, and people are able to access that and click that right from your piece of content. So that's even more of an opportunity to earn money from your piece of content. So basically, creating and posting content online is like a triple whammy when it comes to earning money. So now that I've convinced you to create and post content online, you're probably wondering, which platforms are the most monetizable? What should I get on? YouTube still is and will always probably be the most monetizable platform. In order to be able to monetize on YouTube, you need over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time. It sounds intimidating, but trust me, it can happen a lot faster than you think, so I say you give it a try. Next is TikTok, because they recently added the Creator Fund, which you can apply for, which basically does pay out based on engagement that you get from your videos on TikTok. You must have a pro account, and then you just apply for it on the app, and if you get accepted, you get to earn money based on how many views your videos get on the app. And last but not least, Facebook did roll out monetization for video, so finally you are able to earn money from posting video content on Facebook. All right, you guys, the third and final way to make money online that I'm gonna talk about today, because of course there are plenty of others, but the last one for today is to sell digital products. There has never been a better time to sell things online and to just have even your entire business potentially run online. We have all spent way more time at home than ever before, so people are online shopping like there's no tomorrow, me included. I'm speaking for myself here. And there are several ways that you can sell products or services online. There are tons of platforms that make doing this super easy. For example, Etsy, you can sell physical or digital products. There's a website called Fiverr where you can sell your freelance services, whether you want to be a graphic designer or you edit videos or you want to write captions for someone, you can offer your services on there. And there are so many more ways to sell things online, so I think the world is your oyster in that regard. All right, you guys, those are my top 3 ways to make money online right now. Obviously, there are a lot more ways, but I wanted to kind of go the route of creating content. Comment down below and let me know, where's your favorite place to shop? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.